Do you know that using a journal or daily planner not only helps you to organize your routine, but also have some major health benefits? That's why I have decided to share those benefits so that you got that push to make your own planner.
Hello and welcome to the OT. First of all, let's talk about the 6 major benefits of using journal or planner. Using a planner allows you to schedule each events, appointment or task so that you know what to expect and don't run out of the time. This is important for your personal as well as your professional life. Like diet and exercise, you can schedule regular doctor and dentist appointments and make sure you are getting enough fresh air and vitamin D by scheduling days spent outdoors, etc. Now, if you are rushing to buy a planner for you, then let me tell you, cost of those will going to affect your pocket. That's why I choose my DIY planner at place of those expensive ones. Preparing your own planner not only saves your money but also increase your productivity, and you can add points of your choice. Now let me share how I prepare my own daily planner. For this you need a blank paper register. It cost me rupees 50, or you can use any diary you have. Some old stationery or accessory stuff. I have these things. Some crystals, some stickers, or anything of your choice or you have at your home. And the most interesting ones, the old wedding cards that we all must have, I guess, at our home. I have these ones. Some of them are very old and some of them are new ones. I wanna use them all for my DIY planner. Yeah, it will gonna some mess at your home, but trust me, the product will give you worth. He's my pet Gogo. Hey, you don't need to be perfect. Just do whatever you like. Just give theme to your journal or give anything of your choice. I'm trying some stickers related to doctor as it's my choice. And you can add anything, heart, sticker, smiley. Just make it attractive, which makes you happy whenever you open it. And let me tell you, I'm not very good in art and craft. So please don't judge me. I add a habit track in my planner. It will definitely going to help you in tracing your daily habit. I included diet, exercise, namaz, Quran, and meditation. You can add anything which you perform as your daily activity. Isn't it look like that game we were playing at our childhood? That house making game? Let me know in comments. This is a note making of my planner. First point is gratitude. And the important part, experience and learning of the month. And the last one is rate your month. So I am done with my planner and how it's looking. First page is related to about me. Myself, I add some stickers related to which looks like me. No, it's not. And a letter to me. I draw a picture of a doctor. You can do anything. A mood tracker. How are you feeling right now? If you're feeling low, here is some quotations about it. These are some skills. Month of Jan, to-do list, budget plan, most important one. That habit tracker. Note making. Favorite one. Fab. The coming month. In the March, my birthday month. That's why I add some glitters on it. you want to make it more attractive, you can buy objects from stationery shop, but as it is almost zero cost, that's why I avoid to do that. The last page of my planner is goal of the year. And see, I still have so many pages left. I can add in when I want. And guess how much it cost me? Not even 100 rupees. Trust me, I am not lying. Did you like my planner? Let me know in comments. I hope you found this video useful. I wish you a healthy life.